I had shown these words to you on screen. Now I will take 5 words that you could not read. 5 words that you could not read, but 5 words from the entire group. Okay, 5 words from the entire group. Because we don't have a lot of time, only 5 words. So quickly raise a hand if you could not read a word. Quickly raise a hand if you could not read a word. Sujal, I'm waiting for you to switch on camera, Baba. अगर आप ये words में से कोई word read नहीं कर पाए, raise your hand. Okay, Apsari, share.
What did they?
Which word were you not able to read?
Did it? This. First, this. Yes. No, this.
This one?
Last wala did.
Can you annotate on the screen? Screen pe only Apsari annotate on the screen and tell me which word. Use the pen and annotate.
Did this?
मुझे नहीं दिख रहा बाबा. You have to annotate quickly.
Did here?
Can you? Okay, all of you, the words that you could not read, can you write the word in the chat? In the chat, write the word. Which word were you not able to read? Which word were you not able to read? Right here. Quickly, I will take the first 5 words and then we'll read. First 5 words I'll take and then we'll read. Which word were you not able to read? Write the spelling of the word. Yasmin, what are we doing?
We not understand that, but we write in the chat box. Did you say that word?
Correct. Okay, right. I have started getting responses. Okay, I know which word. Vaishnavi, I will take the first 5 words. Okay, Vaishnavi was not able to read this word. Okay. Pawan was not able to read this word. 3 more words I'll take. Okay, I see someone has already annotated this word. All right, 2 more words I'll take. 2 more words. Okay, Apsari has given her word. 1 more word. 1 more word. Where is Apsari's word? Okay.
They are annotated.
Annotate, Raj. And only one last word because I've got Yasmin's word as well. Annotate on the screen, Raj. Apsari Baba, can you put yourself on mute? Raj, okay, I've got this one. Which, okay, stop annotating everyone. Are you seeing this one, Raj? Raj, have I got it right? This one? Okay, got it. Okay, no more annotation, everyone. And Zoya has given her word, which is this one. All right, I am going to disable annotation now. All right, I'm going to read the words that you have told me to read. This word is blood. Everyone repeat after me. Blood.
Blood.
Correct. Blood. Now, in my mind, I'm going to look at the spelling and read it in my mind on mute only. Blood. Blood. Zoya, what is blood?
Blood meaning this word. Blood meaning.
Hindi word? Hindi word for blood?
I know.
Say na. Raj is raising a silent hand. I like how a lot of people are. Yasmin is raising. Baba?
Didi, blood meaning is hospital में जो blood कराते हैं वो.
Okay. What is it called in Hindi? Yes, Yasmin. Yasmin is doing this. Yes, Yasmin.
Didi, blood says the खून.
Correct. Khoon. Blood matlab khoon. Okay. What is this word? I know you know this word. Cleven. Who can read this word? Who can read? Pawan, what is this word? What is this word, Pawan?
11.
Yes, 11. 11 means 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, I like how a lot of you were raising silent hands. Zoya was doing this. Okay, this is a new word. This word is experience. Repeat after me. Experience. Experience. Experience can be. Okay, experience is a tricky word to explain. Experience can be. So we went to the. That was a beautiful experience. वो एक बहुत अच्छा experience था हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा मौका था, right? Like a really nice मौका, really good opportunity. Really good chance to feel something when something has happened and we feel very nice. Experience, beautiful experience. Bad coronavirus lockdown was a very bad experience. Okay. Now, what is this word? I want one of Nazmi, try reading this word.
Increase.
Try, you can read this, I know. Try. First read it now. First read this much. In, then
Increase.
increase. Increase meaning badna. Kuch badna. Okay. I had 5 rupees in the morning. My mother gave me 5 rupees extra. So now I have 10 rupees in increase. All right. Okay. This word so we have done so many times. Yasmin, what is this word?
Noun.
What are nouns?
Noun is a place, name, place, animal, thing.
Person, place, animal, things. Good job. This word is also very, very easy. I want Raj. Can you try reading this word? This one? You have only annotated this. I want you to try reading this.
Smile.
No. Close. Similar. Similar means same. Okay, same. This word is southern. Southern means south. North, south, so southern. Okay. This is subtle. Subtle. Not subtle. Subtle. And this word is usually. Usually, matlab काफी बार. In general. Usually. All right. We will do these words in all our classes. Okay. We'll do more words also so that we know many words. Okay. Suhani, are you sitting with your RC notebook, Baba?
Yes,
I see
Didi.
he has dropped off. I'm guessing he's having internet problem.
Didi, I have a printout.
Okay, but we're not doing that worksheet. Okay, we're doing a different worksheet. Thank you for getting the printout done. Suhani, I need you to switch on your camera. Otherwise, I will not be able to teach. We know the rules. Camera's on. Raj has taken permission because he has bad internet, but others, you have not taken permission. So you have to keep your video on. Thank you, Sujal. Suhani, video on.
Yeah, Didi.
Yes, Baba.
Didi, you sent two worksheets
We will.
on
Yes.
Didi, you not send voice note.
I know I forgot to send. No, I did not forget to send you voice note. I did not send you voice note because at the end of today's class, we will discuss the paper. Okay, so then you will understand. That's why I did not send you. I did not forget. So, honey, I'm waiting for you to switch on your camera. Okay, Pawan, we are sitting in a silent place. All right. Now, on your screen, you're going to get a few questions. Okay, you're going to get a few questions. And you will have to tell me, should we do this or should we not do this? Okay. You know, you will raise a silent hand to share your answer. So if you want to answer, you will raise a silent hand. My first question is to Shivshesh. Okay. Shivshesh, read the first line. Should we
speak in English in class? Why not?
What is your answer?
And why?
Should we speak in English in class? Yes or no? Give your reason.
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because we are English students.
Okay, we study in an English medium school. What will happen if we learn English? What will happen if we speak in English?
I can say Hindi.
But then you're contradicting. You're saying I want to speak in English, but then you're saying in Hindi. So try
Yes.
speak in English. Try. No, you know, I know it. Go ahead.
We are saying English, then we have, and anyone is speak English, we have also speak in English.
Okay, if anyone speaks to us in English, we will be able to reply to them in English, right? So if we don't speak in English, how will we learn the language? Good answer, Shivshesh. You should be confident. You can speak in English. I am very confident. Okay, next one. I want Raj is raising a silent hand. So let's give a chance to Raj. Okay, not this one to Raj because Raj has taken a permission. Yasmin, read the second one.
should we keep our video off? Why not? No, because of we should be anything doing. Didi is not see. We will won't do that. Didi
Correct.
is teaching and we not study and video of what. Then we not know that Didi should study and leave that.
Correct. Thank you for explaining so beautifully, Yasmin. We should keep our videos on because if I as a teacher, if I'm not able to see you or if you are not able to see each other, we will not understand what the other person is doing. If the other person is listening or not focusing or not just that. A lot of times from your face, I get to understand if you have understood something or not. Like now I can see that Shivshesh is throwing pebbles at someone. He's not focusing in class, but I know he will focus because he's a very responsible child. So we should keep our videos on so that Didi gets to know. All right, not just Didi, all of us get to know. Okay, Zoya raises her hand to read the next one. Yes, Zoya. Should we?
Should we? What is what? Should we raise your and silent hand when we want to share? Why not? Yes. Because this is a question and this is what this is please say to question to your raise your silent hand and Didi to listen is mistake to the Didi is comfortable to this word.
One more question, Zoya. What will happen if you don't raise a silent hand and if all of you share together? What will happen then?
What did he say?
If you want to share something and you don't raise a silent hand and everybody comes off mute and starts to share, what will happen? You are confused to what students say and what the students say and not you are not confused. You are confused is and yes. Correct. If the speaker doesn't raise a silent hand and starts to speak, and if there are more than one speaker, we will not be able to understand what anyone is saying, right? So that's why it's very important for us to raise a silent hand before we speak. Okay, Raj has been raising a silent hand for a long time, so let's give him a chance. Raj, read the next one. Should we? Pavan, eyes on screen, Baba. Yes, should we? This one.
Should we lie down, sleep in the Zoom call? Why not?
Should we lie down? Lie down means late na or sleep. Sleep means so jana. Should we lie down or sleep in Zoom call? Why or why not?
No, because that you sleep, you can't see what Didi to teach.
Yeah. Also, in a class, we always try to sit in a smart position because that's how we learn the best, right? If you're sleeping, it's not really a learning position, right? Okay, last one, Pavan, read. Pavan. Okay, Pavan, we don't have any more questions. Great. Now, nothing. Now in the chat box, quickly write what is your RC goal. In the chat box, everybody is writing your RC goal. Right, not your RC level, your RC goal. Where do you want to reach? Where do you want to reach? Your RC goal, not your RC level. Everyone, write it down. I'm waiting. You have 30 seconds to write your RC goal. Not where you are, where you want to reach. If you don't know, please ask me. What is your RC goal? Write in the chat. Yes, Nazmeen.
दीदी मैं आपको भेजा. I send you.
Pavan, can you repeat that in English?
I can send you.
I've got. Yes, I've got from Raj, Pavan, Yasmin, Suhani, Puneet, Sujal, Shivshesh, Apsari. Waiting for a few more. I'm waiting for Vaishnavi also. And Nazmeen. Nazmeen, I think you don't know this because you were absent when we were setting goals. Your RC level is 1.5 and your RC goal is to reach 2.0. Okay, Nazmeen. So your RC goal is 2.0. Okay.
Didi, I cannot understand.
I'm saying your RC level is 1.5 and your RC goal is 2.0. So your RC goal is 2.0. Okay. 2.0. Okay, Zoya, your RC level is 1.0. Your goal is 0.5 level higher. So 1.5. All right, we are wrapping up in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Z, E, R, O, 0. Nazmeen, can you switch on your camera, Baba? Is Suhani here? Okay, Suhani is here. Yes, I can see everyone. Waiting for Nazmeen. I'm sure she will switch on the video in some time. Till then, let's move ahead. Okay. So, you know how we read. We're going to read one line. Every time we see a full stop, what are we going to do, Pawan? Every time I see a full stop, what do I do? I'm reading a sentence, I see a full stop. Now what do I do?
We stop and thinking.
What do we think?
We want this
What is the?
on a farm.
What is the
And
meaning of the
a
sentence?
job
You're not
to
reading the
do.
sentence. Pawan, wait.
इसको जॉब मांगता है.
Correct. That's an example of what you just did. So we're reading a sentence. We stop at the full stop. Zoya, Baba, eyes on screen. Zoya, eyes on screen. Thank you. Every time we read a full, see a full stop, we're going to stop and think of the meaning in Hindi. Okay, waiting for Nazmeen to switch on the camera. Suhani, can you start reading the first line and stop at the full stop and tell us the meaning?
Sam live on a farm and had a job to do.
Full stop. Sam lived on a farm. What is farm? What is a farm? Suhani. Suhani, what is a farm? Suhani, can you hear me, Baba? What is a farm? Farm meaning? Make a guess. Have you heard farming, farmer, farm?
Yes.
What have you heard? What do you know?
जो खेत में काम करते हैं.
Correct. So where was Sam? Where did Sam live?
Farm.
What is farm?
जो खेत में काम करते हैं.
जो खेत में काम करते हैं, they are called farmer and farm is खेत. Okay, farm is खेत. So Sam lived on a farm. Sam खेत में रहता था and had a job. Meaning?
उसका जॉब था वो करने के लिए.
Yeah. All right. Now we will know what his job was. Suhani, read the next line.
He had to wake up early every day.
What is this word? Eyes on screen, everyone. Yes. Pawan, eyes on screen and sit in smart position. Pawan, sit in smart position. I'm not going to share. 1 minute, Baba. Suhani, sorry. Pawan, Raj just said we cannot lie down or sleep in class because we have to sit in smart position. Are you sitting in a smart position?
Yeah, I cannot hear.
Thank you. Yasmin, if you can't hear, Nazmeen, you can't hear me. Increase your
दीदी
volume.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Increase your volume. I will go ahead only when everyone's. Yes, please don't ask me if you want to drink water. I will go ahead only when everyone's camera is on. Thank you, Puneet. All right. Yes, Suhani, continue. He had to
every day to feed the chicken and get their eggs.
Meaning? he had to wake up early every day to feed the chickens and get their eggs. Meaning? Try to make a guess. He had to wake up early every day. Okay, just tell me itna meaning. He had to wake up early every day. What is the meaning of this?
वो हर रोज सुबह उठता था.
बहुत जल्दी उसको उठना पड़ता था. Early meaning जल्दी. To feed the chickens and get their eggs. To feed the chickens. Meaning to feed the chickens meaning? Feed meaning to give food. Or किसी को खाना खिलाना. Okay, to feed the chickens. So who was he giving food to?
चिकन.
And get their eggs. Get their eggs meaning?
उसको अंडा मिलता था.
कहाँ से? From?
Egg.
From who?
चिकन.
From chicken, right? Very good. Okay. Sam lived on a farm and had a job to do. He had to wake up early every day to feed the chickens and get their eggs. I will ask two people to share what just happened in the story. One of them is Pawan and one of them is Apsari. Yes, Apsari, share. You're raising a silent hand. What
नंबर देते हैं ना वो बात करेगी ना तो हम लोग का दूसरा नंबर है जिसकी किशोर का नंबर है ना
Yes,
एक स्टोरी में हुआ सब ना
नहीं
खेती में काम ढूंढ रहा था. He had the job.
What was his job?
वो उठाता है वो नहीं रहेगा तो
When his job got his
तू उसको दे दे
every day he's got to chicken and eggs.
Where did he get the eggs from? Eggs कहाँ से मिलता था उसको?
Eggs farmer खेती से.
Eggs किधर से मिलता है? Where do eggs come from?
दुकान. Chicken.
Correct, chicken से. So he used to give food to chicken and in return he used to take eggs from chicken. Pawan, explain what just happened in the story, Baba, quickly.
Starting से story दी थी शाम ना खेती में is doing in farm in hard work and is wake up. ये सुबह जल्दी उठता है 5 बजे और अपना काम करता है और चिकन को फूड देता है और चिकन फिर एग देती है.
Perfect, perfect. Good job, Pawan. High five. Very well explained. Okay, next one. Yasmin, go ahead. Yasmin, can you hear me? Yes. Go ahead and explain. Zoya, camera on, please.
Once morning Sam want
What is this word? Want or?
went outside to do his job.
Meaning, full stop. Meaning?
एक दिन सुबह में सैम को बाहर जाने का था जॉब पर.
एक दिन सुबह को बाहर गया वो अपने जॉब पर. What is his job? His job is to feed the chickens and get their eggs. So वो अपना normal काम करने को one day he went outside. Went is the past tense of go. We have done this also in tenses. So one day he went normally like he goes. Yasmin, continue reading.
He
What is this word? Read.
Rice.
Reach.
Reach.
He reached down.
He reached down, got 3 eggs for the first chicken.
Meaning? Eyes on the screen, everyone.
वो reach मतलब पहुंच गया. Down. उसको 3 अंडे मिले फर्स्ट चिकन से.
Perfect. Very good explained, Yasmin. High five. Next one, Shivshesh, explain. Read and explain. And after that, Puneet, you explain, okay? Zoya, I see your silent hand. Thank you.
Didi, I explain. So say after I explain, please, Didi.
Okay, if you raise a silent hand, I'll give you a chance. Shivshesh, read. Shivshesh, I'm speaking to you only, Baba.
Yes, teacher. Which question, teacher?
Yeah, not question, this slide. Shivshesh, can you sit in a silent place, Baba? Is this a silent place?
One morning, Sam
No, after that, after Yasmin read. He
reached
he reached
down and got 2 eggs from the second chicken.
full
He-
stop, meaning full stop, meaning
Meaning मतलब he reached down and
Yes,
got
that's great.
2 egg.
meaning
मतलब उसको 2 egg मिला
from
the second chicken मतलब second hen से मिला.
how many eggs did he get from the first chicken? पहले मुर्गी से कितना अंडा मिला?
पहले
From the first one? How many eggs did he get from the first egg? From first chicken? Silent hands only. Shivshesh, how many eggs did he get from the first chicken?
first chicken get where is right?
You read no.
इधर कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
You read. We just read. Yasmin just read.
3 teacher 3.
Correct. He got three eggs from the first chicken and then he got 2 eggs from the second chicken. Okay. Good job. Puneet, read next.
He reached down and felt a hug.
Huge.
Egg.
Hug is H-U-G is hug, and then when you add a magic E, it becomes huge. Huge.
Huge eggs.
You know this word. You sound is so now try to pronounce.
Under.
Who is helping you, Baba?
No.
Honestly. Chalo, theek hai. Read on your own.
Under.
He down and felt a huge egg
Under the third chicken.
Explain. He reached down and felt a huge egg under the third chicken. Firstly, what is the meaning of the word huge? Huge meaning?
Huge meaning istamal.
No, huge meaning very big.
Very
Huge
big.
meaning very big. Okay. So now tell me, he reached down and felt a huge egg under the third chicken. Meaning?
ओ नीचे गया और बड़े चिकन को
Huge egg under the third chicken.
मतलब वो नीचे गया फिर उसके एग लिया
How was the
थर्ड
egg?
चिकन
How
से
was the egg?
the only one.
But what type of the egg was it? Was it a normal egg?
No.
What? Then what was it? Was it small? Was it big? Was it huge? Was it normal? What was it?
Didi, the egg is very big.
The egg was very, very big. It was not a normal egg, right? Shivshesh, eyes on the screen, please. Shivshesh, I've already told you 2-3 times for your eyes to be on screen. If there is a problem, Baba, for you to focus in class, please leave the Zoom call. It's okay. Because if you are in the Zoom call, you have to focus. Because if you're coming to Zoom call and not focusing, फिर कोई point ही नहीं है ना Zoom call attend करने का. You are
focusing.
okay. So first chicken say he got 3 eggs, second chicken say he got 2 eggs, and then third chicken ke liye when he went, there was a huge egg, like a really very, very big egg, right? Okay. Who has not got a chance to read yet? Zoya, I said, no? Zoya, go ahead. You're on mute, Baba.
He called not believable it.
He could not believe it. Meaning?
मतलब वो इतना कह नहीं करता था.
He could not believe it. Believe meaning?
Believe meaning.
I like how Raj has been constantly raising a silent hand. Raj, I will definitely give you a
Did
chance.
believe meaning to अच्छा.
विश्वास. वो विश्वास नहीं कर पाया. He could not believe it.
Oh, विश्वास.
What could he not believe, Zoya?
चिकन जो एग देती थी ना उसके ऊपर जो उसको खाना खिलाता था वो विश्वास नहीं किया था.
Why? What type of egg was it? कैसा egg था?
is very big.
Okay. Read next. The
The egg felt static.
egg felt strange. Strange means something very, very different. Some kuch to alag. Egg felt very strange. Means not normal. Okay.
वो इतना ना स्ट्रेच नहीं था.
The egg felt strange. Meaning?
वो एकदम सबसे अलग था. सब egg से अलग था.
Who is वो? कौन अलग था?
वो egg.
Correct. Good job, Zoya. Read. No, let Raj read now. He's been raising a hand. Yes, Raj, go ahead.
It was much bigger
Hmm?
and
Heavier.
heavier than the other.
Meaning?
वो सबसे बड़ा था और भारी भी था.
Okay. What is wo? What is wo?
अंडा.
What is
Egg.
anda? Correct. Egg from which chicken? First, second, or third?
Second. Yes.
Third. Next.
He looked at it with super fast.
No, you know this word. You know this word.
Yes, you are.
First read
So-
this, then read this.
Yes, you are. Sur.
Sir. You
Sir.
sound is a. The are. Sir.
P. Pervision.
He looked at it with surprise. Surprise meaning?
Surprise. बहुत खुश.
He looked at not बहुत खुश, चौंक गया. He looked at with, he could not understand what was going on. He has seen such a big egg, such a heavy egg. So he's shocked, he's surprised. Oh my God, what is this? Right? Go ahead.
Some smiled.
What is this word?
Smiled. Smiled.
And
he said so that when my
what is this word? When
where
so that's where.
my ball
What is this?
football went.
So he's saying, oh, so that is where my football went. What is what is he calling football? What is he calling football?
Egg.
So Sam thinks that the third chicken has his egg under it. Shivshesh, Baba, sit in a silent place, please. You're in a class. So, do you think it was actually a football or it was just a very big egg? And there's no right or wrong question. Everyone, Raj just read that Sam thought when he looked at the egg, it was very, very big and it was very, very heavy. It was something strange. Zoya also read it was strange. It was different. And then he's smiling at it and he's saying, oh, so that is where my football went. Oh, so I think this is my football and not chicken's egg. So my question is, was it a football or was it an egg? Silent hand. Puneet, what do you think?
The football.
Okay, Yasmin, what do you think? Apsari is also raising a hand. Yasmin, what do you think? Was it a football or was it a very big egg? Why do you think it was a football?
Egg is not heavy.
Egg is not so heavy. Okay, I don't know the answer. I don't know. That's the ending of the story. Apsari, what do you think?
My answer is football
Why?
because egg is not heavy.
Because egg is not so heavy. Egg is normally has a very normal weight, not a lightweight only. All right. What I want you to do now is I'm going to send you this picture. Okay, I'm going to send you this picture for the next 5 minutes. It's 4:10 now. Till 4:15, you're going to read the story on your own. What are you doing? Nazmeen, what are you doing till 4:15? What are you going to do? The story is on your screen. I'm guessing Nazmin is trying to say something, but I can't hear her. Pawan, what are we doing till for the next 5 minutes?
Didi, you give question we
Not
read.
question. We are just reading the story for the next 5 minutes on our own. Okay, the story is on your screen. So everybody, you have 5 minutes to read the story. Keep reading the story. How are we reading the story? You're reading the story, full stop, think of the meaning in Hindi. Read one line, full stop, think of the meaning in Hindi. Understand the meaning of each and every line. That's how we're going to read. How are we reading, Apsari? You're on mute, Baba. Read. How are we reading?
Sam.
How are we reading? हम कैसे पढ़ेंगे? Can I read all the story together or one line by one line?
One line with 6 full stop with think two meaning and we'll go next line.
Perfect. And how much time do you have for this?
5 minutes.
Very good. Read.
Didi, my done.
What is my done?
My finished.
Didi, my
work is done.
What is my finish?
Didi,
Thank you.
my read done.
My reading is done. My work is done. My work is finished. Pawan, are you sitting in the start position?
Teacher, my reading is done.
All right. We have 30 more seconds if anyone wants to finish reading. 30 more seconds.
Didi done.
Okay, we'll wait for 30 more seconds. 10 more, 15 more seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12.
My done.
What is my done?
12.
My done. What is my wait one second, Pawan. Puneet, my done is what?
That's my work done.
My work is done. Not my work done. My work is done. Vaishnavi has written very beautifully in the chat also. My work is done. Perfect. Coming back in 5, 4. Pawan's smart position 3, 1. Z-E-R-O-0. Quick questions, everyone. We're going to reply in the chat for the first question only. First question, Pawan, quickly read.
Who is the name character? What is his job?
Okay, who is the main character? What is his job? Everyone write in the chat. I've already received answer from Raj. I'm going to ask not Suhani. I'm going to ask Puneet. Puneet, who is the main character? What is his job?
The main character is Ken.
What is his job?
His job is to get the eggs to chicken.
Okay. I've got answers from everyone in the chat, by the way. And all of you are correct. The main character is Sam. Still getting answers in chat. Sam, all of us have got right. Okay. Yasmin has written the job also very correctly. The main character is Sam. His job is to feed chicken. Feed chicken means chicken ko khala khilana and get their egg. Unki अंडे लेना. Right? Quickly, question number 2. Zoya, read.
How many chicken were there? Which chicken was different? How?
Okay, tell me meaning.
मतलब कितने चिकन? How many? कितने चिकन? Which different? मतलब अलग-अलग egg देते हैं.
नहीं बाबा. How many chickens were there? First question. First, tell me the meaning of this question. How many chickens were there? Meaning?
How many chickens? What did it?
How many chickens were there? What is the meaning of this question?
कितने चिकन थे?
Correct. So what is the answer for that, Zoya? One correct answer.
If family is 8.
How many chickens? How many? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many chickens were there?
2.
No. Raj, correct answer. Puneet, correct answer. Suhani, correct answer.
3.
Correct. Which chicken was different, Zoya?
Third.
How?
Because his big egg gives.
Perfect. There were 3 chickens. Third chicken was different because it gave a big egg. Okay. All right. Quickly, who wants to read? Who wants to read? Silent hands. First one I see is raising a silent hand. Will get a chance to read. Puneet, Papa, you read, na? You read. You got a chance. Chalo, Pawan, you also got a chance. Chalo, Puneet, you only read.
Do you see the last eggs?
Do you think the last, not last, last? Meaning?
हमें
Meaning?
लगता है लास्ट वाला फुटबॉल है
क्या तुम्हें लगता है लास्ट अंडा फुटबॉल था? Give reason. Okay, everyone is writing in the chat. Puneet, I will ask you after everyone shares. Do you think the last egg was a football? क्या आपको लगता है कि last egg football था? If yes, give reason. If no, give your reason for that too. Okay? Do you think the last egg was football? Yes, no, give reason. I am waiting for your answer in the chat. Excuse me. Okay, I've started getting answer. Do you think the last egg was a football? क्या आपको लगता है लास्ट एक फुटबॉल था?
Because
Shivshesh, I'm waiting for you to write the answer. Do you think the last egg was a football? Okay, I've got a beautiful answer from Raj.
the last is right heavy early I have.
I got it. Do you think the last egg was a football? Shivshesh says no. Shivshesh, can you unmute yourself, Baba? Can
Yes,
you also
teacher.
give a reason why you don't think it was not a football?
Because the last egg is big.
So why can it not be a football? Do you think it was a football?
No,
Why?
because it is a big egg.
Okay, because Shivshesh, you think that it was a big egg and it wasn't a football. Okay, I've got answers. I've got Raj's answer. Yes, because because it wasn't an egg, it was a big football. Yes, because egg is not okay. Suhani is saying eggs aren't as big as football; they have normal size. Yes, because the eggs aren't so heavy because he had lost his football. Because where are the football or where will a football come from? Chicken. Okay. Beautiful answers. I'm not writing the answer for this one. Because this is your own answer. I don't know the answer. I don't know whether it was a football or an egg. Didi, you are wrong. So, Honey, do you want to unmute and share what your answer is? I might not have understood it correctly if I'm wrong. So, Honey, Baba, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Puneet, I've read your answer correct. So, Honey?
Didi,
Yes, Baba. So, Honey, say?
yes, because egg is not big.
Because egg isn't okay. Because egg is not so big. Eggs are smaller in size. Is what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you your worksheet for the day. Okay, this is your worksheet. All eyes on screen, please. Suhani, Nazmeen, camera on. I want you to do only D, E, F, G. Okay, A, B, C we will do later. A, B, C we are not doing now. We are doing D, E, F, G. Which questions are we doing now? Apsari, which questions are we doing?
D, E, F, G.
Correct. We are only doing D, E, F, G. I am sending you the worksheet on your Tigers group right now. Okay? But only D, E, F, G, A, B, C we will do later. Got it? Tigers, tigers. Puneet, which questions are we doing?
D, E, F, G.
Correct. And you have 15 minutes for this. Okay? You have how much time? 15 minutes for this. Okay, check your Tigers group, everyone. I've sent you the worksheet. We're doing DEFG. I'm sharing my screen to show the picture anyway.
Yeah, I am seeing.
Okay. Check your Tigers group, everyone. Check. Zoya, check your Tigers group. Nazmeen, Baba, Tigers group. Check Tigers group on WhatsApp. Check Tigers group on WhatsApp. We're doing DEFG. Do not leave the Zoom call, anyone.
Yes, Didi.
Someone has dropped off. Who? Okay, come. One person. Sujal. Sujal. Yes, Nazmeen? Got the paper now on WhatsApp?
Didi, you can send it your personal number to me.
Okay, I'm sending it on your personal number.
Didi, can you send your the worksheet in personal number? Your personal number.
Send.
Okay, Didi, I got it.
Only DEFG, okay? Only DEFG.
Okay, Didi. D, E, F, G करना है खाली बस. A, B, C नहीं करना है खाली D, E, F.
I've got Puneet's answer. I've got Suhani's answer. 30 more seconds, everyone. 30 more seconds to finish writing. 30 more seconds to finish writing. Thirty more seconds, everyone. Coming back in 20 seconds. Coming back in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
Didi, 1 minute.
8.
My last question. Do it.
Okay. Quickly finish. Zoya done?
Oh, Didi.
Which question are you doing, Baba?
Didi, E.
Till now E, F and G हो गया?
No.
क्या कर रहे थे अब तक? 10-15 मिनट से क्या कर रहे थे?
Didi, I am writing.
Finish quickly. I will give you all 1 minute. If you don't finish, we'll do it together. Okay, everyone, coming back in 30 seconds. Camera on, please.
Didi.
Coming back.
Didi, Zoom call is where? Zoom call is where is leaving?
No, don't leave now. 5 o'clock you leave. 5 o'clock, 5 p.m.
My tuition.
आप अभी इतना स्लो कर भी रहे हो, आपको ट्यूशन भी जाना है. Finish your class and then go to tuition. Okay, everyone come back. I want to see everyone in smart position back in 10, 9, 8, 7. I like how Puneet is sitting in smart position. 6, 5, 4, smart position means back straight. 3, I like how Suhani is sitting. I like how Nazmeen is sitting. How Shivshesh is sitting. Shivshesh, can you hear me, Baba? I've got Raj's pictures. Shivshesh? Shivshesh? I think he's sending me pictures.
Yes,
Till then we
teacher, I can hear my last question, teacher.
All right. Okay. You finish. By the time we'll discuss the next question number D. Okay. Yasmin, read question number D. Tell us the meaning of the question. Only meaning of the question. Okay.
Do you think it's possible for an egg to be as big as a football? Give a reason.
As big as football. Meaning?
सच में ये पॉसिबल है क्या? फुटबॉल है?
An egg is as big as the size of a football. Meaning?
एग की तरह यही फुटबॉल है क्या?
Egg football जितना बड़ा है. क्या? Is this possible? Yes, no, give reason. I am going to ask 3 people. I'll tell you who those 3 people are. Apsari has raised her hand, so I'll give a chance to Apsari. I'm going to ask Suhani and Raj. Apsari, Suhani, and Raj. Apsari, share. Do you think it's possible for an egg to be as big as a football?
Yes, Didi.
Yes, because egg football की तरह बड़ा हो सकता है. Because
Didi, मैंने
English?
ऐसे लिखा.
No, you have to give reason. Even if you're writing yes, you have to give reason.
Yes, because he's इसका जिम्मेदारी था.
Responsibility. Okay. Yes, because it is chicken's responsibility to give a big egg. Okay, I like that answer. I'm not writing it down because others might have a different answer. Okay, I will write it down. Yes, because it was the chicken's responsibility. Okay, who next did I say? Suhani, right? Suhani, share. Suhani, share your answer. Suhani, share. Do you think it is possible for an egg to be as big as football?
No,
Why? Reason? Because
egg is not give big egg.
eggs are not so big. Okay. Because egg not give big, eggs are not so big. One more person had asked. Raj, no? Raj, what is your answer? Raj?
Yes, Didi.
What is your answer?
Do you think that?
Answer, not meaning, answer.
Yes,
Okay, because
hen not give big football. Hen give egg, not football.
okay, so the question is, do you think it is possible? क्या आपको लगता है it is possible that an egg is as big as a football? So your answer is yes or no?
No.
So no, because hens do not give big hens. No, because hens don't give big footballs. They give eggs. A better word for give here can be lay, but that's fine if you're writing egg give also. Okay. I'll wait for 10 seconds. If anyone wants to add anything, you can show that symbol add, or you can simply unmute and share. 10 seconds if anyone wants to add their answer, what they've written. Yasmin, please remove your finger from the camera, and Zoya, camera on. Coming back in 10, 9. Yasmin, whatever you're doing, can you do it after the class? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, Vaishnavi, this time I want you to write your answer in the chat, okay? Puneet, read question number E and tell us what is the meaning of the question.
What will you do if you
Shivshesh,
find
silent hand.
an egg as big as a football?
What would you do if you find an egg as big as a football? Meaning?
मतलब हाँ हम एक अंडे को ढूंढे तो फुटबॉल निकला.
What would you do? First tell me what is the meaning of this sentence. What would you do?
हम लोग क्या करेंगे?
If you find an egg, meaning if you find an egg, meaning
हमने अंडा ढूंढा.
as big as a football.
मतलब वो बड़ा सा फुटबॉल निकला.
As big मतलब फुटबॉल जितना बड़ा अंडा मिला. What would you do? So हम क्या करेंगे? आप क्या मैं क्या करूंगी अगर मुझे एक ऐसा अंडा मिला which is as big as a football, which is very big as a football. Okay, I'm going to ask 3 people: Shivshesh, Puneet, and
Didi.
Shivshesh, Puneet, and Zoya. I'm going to answer 3 people their answer. Zoya, what is your answer? What would you do if you find
Didi.
Zoya, can you put your
Didi.
camera on? First, put your camera on. I'm not going to talk if your camera is off. This is an agreement. Camera on and then speak to me. What is the problem?
Didi, my problem is दीदी ट्यूशन जाना है मुझे 4:30 बजे की ट्यूशन रहती है
तो फिर जोया क्या करेगी
और मुझे मोबाइल लेके जाना पड़ता है ट्यूशन में
बट एवरी डे जोया का क्लास होता है 3:30 से 4:30 ना
हाँ तो आज टाइम हो गया 4:43 हो रहा है
आपकी वजह से एक्चुअली लास्ट क्लास भी जोया का मिस हुआ था तो फिर आज आपको एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा ना एक दिन जोया ने एडजस्ट किया तो एक दिन आपको भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा
और जोया की भी क्लास रहती है ना 5 बजे की उसको जाने के लिए आधा घंटा लगता है
5 बजे से पहले फिनिश हो जाएगा और जोया आज ट्यूशन नहीं भी जाएगी तो चलेगा पर क्या है कि लास्ट क्लास उसने मिस किया बिकॉज आपको आपका क्लास था जोया की क्लास के टाइमिंग पे तो एक दिन उसने एडजस्ट किया तो आज आपको भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा है ना ओके जोया व्हाट इज योर आंसर व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ यू फाइंड एन एग Zoya, are you ready? What is your answer? Yes. What would you do if you find an egg as big as a football? Okay, we'll come back to Zoya. हाँ, Zoya, tell me.
मेरा एग होएगा
What would you do? What will you do? I will.
do playing. No, sorry.
Okay, I'll come back to you, Zoya. Think of your answer. I'll come back to you. Till then, Puneet, I'd said, na? Puneet, I told your name, no? I'll ask you. Share.
Yes, Didi.
Say.
Didi, I am a get a egg. I am a give in a market and get a rupees.
I will sell. I will sell in the market and take money. Oh, that's a very smart answer. Okay, who else did I say? Did I say Shivshesh? Whose name did I say? I will ask. Shivshesh, na?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, Shivshesh, what is your answer? What will you do?
Teacher, I will do egg.
What will you do, Baba? What is your answer? आपने क्या लिखा है? What will you do if you get an egg as big as football?
I will give who give people egg. I will give egg to all people and I take money.
Okay, that's also a smart answer. Zoya, is your answer ready?
Didi, no, I think in 1 minute.
Okay, we'll come back to you at the end. One more person. I want. Okay, Yasmin, share.
I get that egg football size. I will share in the market and I get a money. I am give my mom.
Oh, an additional point Yasmin has added is when I get the money, I will give it to my mom. Okay, fine. Question number F. Based on the story, what type of a person is Sam? 3 people are answering. Vaishnavi Vaishnavi. Okay, Suhani wants to change her answer. Suhani, write your answer in the chat. And what type of a person is Sam? Vaishnavi, write your answer in the chat box. 3 people are answering. Raj, Apsari, and Suhani. Raj, what type of a person is Sam?
Sam.
नहीं आ रही लाइट, पहले भी नहीं आ रही।
Yes. Yes, Raj, say. I'm getting. Well, rest of you can.
Sam. Good person, Sam, because he give food hen every day.
He gives food to hen every day. He feeds chickens every day. Suhani has written similar answer. She's also written he's kind and helpful. Vaishnavi has also written he's very kind. All right. Say.
Sam is of the person is kind and helpful
Why?
because he helped to others and he told to of not speaking Hindi.
Right.
He of kind to people. He talk is nicely.
Okay, he speaks to everyone nicely. Where did you speak? Where is it written in the story? Story में क्या लिखा है that he speaks to everyone nicely? Based on the story, right? Based on the story, how do you know? Based on the story, you know that he gives food to chicken every day. So that you can write, right? But if he speaks nicely to everyone or not, we don't know. So we can't add, we can't predict, we can't make a guess. We can only write what we know. Last question. Raj, read the question.
Sam look like at the egg. Surprise when use a tie when he feels surprised.
Read the question properly again. Sam
looked at the egg with surprise.
Sam ने
When-
egg को surprise से देखा. When was the time
When was the time when he you feel surprised?
when you felt surprised? When was the time when you felt surprised? ऐसा कब time था जब आपको surprise feel हुआ था? Okay, I want answers from everyone on this, and after this answer, we can all leave the Zoom call. All right. When was the time when you felt surprised? Silent hands, and I'll give chance to first those who raise a silent hand. Puneet, when was the time when you felt surprised? Puneet, it's okay if you're not writing in the chat. I already see a few hands. So, Hani, when was the time? What had happened? Okay, I see a lot of hands raised. Raj, no. Yasmin, Apsari, Raj. Yasmin first.
My hen give a egg. I will surprise.
Okay, I was surprised when my hen gave an egg. All right. Apsari, what is your answer?
My answer is my hen give me big egg. I saw.
Do you have a hen?
No, my parosi.
Okay, my neighbor's hen gave an egg and I felt very surprised. Raj, what is your answer? You can be surprised otherwise also, no?
When I help people, then I feel happy. Surprised.
Why do you feel surprised? Surprise मतलब चौंक जाना.
When my friend come to school, he give me surprise.
Yeah, that's a good. Remember on Freya Didi's birthday, how all of you gave a surprise to Freya Didi. You had decorated the class, you had got a cake, all those things. So Freya Didi felt very surprised then. Okay, 2 more people. Shipshesh.
I feel, you know what we have Saying
Last question. When was the time when you felt surprised?
I went surprised when I help people.
Why will you feel surprised when you help people? Surprise means chonk jana. When you help people, you'll feel nice, you'll feel good, you'll feel kind, helpful, all those things you'll feel, no?
I feel kind.
The question is, when was the time when you felt surprised? कब आपको surprise feel हुआ है? कभी आपको किसी ने surprise feel कराया है? Has anyone ever made you feel surprised?
Yes.
How? When?
When my birthday is coming.
Who made you feel surprised? Who? किसने आपको surprise feel कराया? Who?
My father. My father is giving me my new cycle. I am surprised.
Okay, correct. That's a beautiful answer. When my father gave me a cycle on my birthday, I felt surprised. Okay, Suhani, last one from you. Suhani, what is your answer? Quickly share. I could not understand you reading the chat.
When I am look something first time.
Okay, when I look at something for the first time, I feel surprised. That's a nice answer. All right, everyone, good job. Also, a lot of you have not submitted your homework. If you have already submitted, you can leave the Zoom call. Bye-bye. If you have a doubt, you can ask me now.